Ratchet. Hey. Hey. What's poppin'? What's poppin'? Ratchet CHATZ, we live. What they do?
What's up?
Welcome. Welcome to another episode of Hump Day Ratchet CHATZ Wednesday.
Welcome. So, it's
Happy Wednesday.
If y'all can't tell, it's a motherfucking denim party in this bitch.
Denim affairs tonight on this motherfucking me podcast.
Yes.
I am your girl L.
And I'm Kayla.
I'm Erica.
And we are your lovely hosts of Ratchet CHATZ podcast, Dallas' hottest motherfucking me podcast. If you don't know, now you know. And if you do know, but haven't told anybody,
Tell
a friend.
where the fuck do they tell us?
You can find us on YouTube, which is Ratchet_CHATZ with a Z .podcast. And you can also follow us on Instagram, which is Ratchet_CHATZ.podcast.
That's a what?
Where can they find us again?
Tell them one more
I'm
time.
sorry.
Run it back.
Run it back for our people who didn't hear.
Sorry, if you didn't hear me the first time, you can find us on Instagram, which is Ratchet_CHATZ with a Z .podcast. And for all you don't know, the reason why it's a podcast is because we smoke
religiously
on this show.
Blunts, pens, whatever you need.
We
So,
also
yeah,
drink on this
This
show.
is a podcast, but tonight, motherfuckers, we gonna be talking about some good ass shit. Ladies, we probably got some tips for you to know, you might want to use, fellas.
Exactly.
You might want to tune in. But you know what, niggas I'll get into that later. Tonight, the topic is about the switch up. Basically, how do you know if your nigga done switched up on you? Is he,
he acting
just
fun.
different shit.
Signs,
Basically. So, just different shit. And we're just about to talk about that shit, some real shit, with some
Exactly.
real motherfucking bitches.
Speaking of signs, it's time to get the show started with some cheer. I'm excited tonight. I want to present this to my ratchets. If you know what time it is, you already know what to do in the motherfucking me comments. Ratchets? Okay.
I'm ready. Hand claps.
All right, ratchets. On the count of 3.
Ready?
1, 2,
Set.
3. If you ratchet and you know it, clap your hands. If you ratchet and you know it, clap your hands. If you ratchet and you know it, then your bitch will surely show it. If you ratchet and you know it, clap your hands. Clap your ass. Clap your ass, clap your ass, clap your ass. Hey! And thank you for tuning in once again.
Exactly.
So, speaking of tonight's show, we have a social media topic of tonight.
Social media topic.
And, Kayla, what are we talking about tonight?
Well, I forgot his last name, but his name is Malik.
And describe what movies that nigga was on, because I forgot.
He was on all the Tyler Perry movies. What was it? Why did I get married? Janet Jackson's husband,
The black nigga.
the nigga on NYPD.
Yeah.
He was on there. Him. So he came out recently, basically saying that he's attracted to transgender women.
Say what?
So he's attracted to transgender women.
Yes,
He came out with this information.
he did.
Does that make that nigga gay?
Ratchets.
Does it make that nigga
you gay?
Yes, fuck yes.
You think that makes him a gay man?
Yeah. You purposely wanna fuck a man that looks like a woman. Not accidentally, but you know that this person has a penis, the same thing that you have,
And he still thinks they're beautiful.
and he thinks that you're beautiful, which you are. I'm not, but I love that world hunting.
Exactly.
All the mothers. But anyway, I'm just in this particular question, nigga, you gay because you want to fuck another man, basically. Even though, no disrespect, they go by a female. So I don't know. I think it's just some mental shit. Like, I don't know.
Because they carry themselves
As
as a
a
woman.
woman.
What
They
about
do.
the ones that get, so does it make him gay if she has had the surgery? She has a pussy now.
See,
and
now
titties.
that's a difficult question.
Because she is completely a woman now. The only thing she can do is have children.
We need a nigga to answer this.
I don't
So
know.
does that make that nigga gay if she's had the surgery, or does it make a difference if he still has the dick, has titties, or has both?
Let
Is
me
he
ask you
gay?
this.
It would bother
Would you
me.
fuck with a nigga who used to be a bitch?
You know why they call me Big Sam.
So what are you gonna do?
Shit, I've been getting it. I can't stop getting it.
I think I'm a man.
Fucking shit, I think.
I don't know.
I be trying to think. All I can think about at that time is how did you look like as a bitch?
It's hard for me to get past. I was thinking about this shit.
I mean, I was ready to go.
And not only that, but like, what if he still got bitch like mentality? Like,
But what if he had it before he told you he was a bitch?
oh, that's why you're a bitch. That's why you get into it. You're a bitch ass hoe. That's why you're a bitch.
Ooh.
They got that dick. Bitch, you ain't no bitch.
You ain't a real nigga.
Bitch, you ain't no real nigga.
No, you ain't a real nigga for real.
We need to chill, right?
Sorry to all our guys out there.
No, we love our transgenders.
But if I did get into it with my
LGBT.
transgender nigga, bitch,
I'm
whatever.
calling you a bitch at that. Anytime you piss me off, nigga, you
You a
gonna go
bitch.
from a nigga to a bitch.
Your mother had a daughter, bitch.
So, I really would like to know if your ex nigga fuck with a
Hold
bitch.
on, back to them. What if he had a kid?
Who?
What if the girl
That
that's a nigga
Yo,
and
nigga,
she got a kid?
a little boy.
I just
Your nigga got a baby.
No, she has the baby now. She
Your
nigga.
nigga, your nigga is a mother. So your nigga is a mother.
Your stepson is calling your nigga mama. Your stepson calling both of y'all mama.
That's weird.
That's too
So
much.
your nigga
Right.
is actual mother.
He,
Mama.
somebody's mother.
Really, he fucking you? And somebody not gonna go, mama.
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 Ain't talking to you.
And he in there.
No, you.
No, you.
Put it down.
You.
Mama.
I'm done. I cannot.
It's not gonna work out, fellas.
Yeah, I'm good, bro.
Are you gonna call him daddy or mama?
What if he tell you to call him daddy while y'all fucking?
He got a dick in. You can use that at that moment.
What if he say call me mama?
What if he say call me big mama?
You get out of my house.
Call me big mama.
You gone. Easy. Bye.
Big mama.
So, yeah. I mean, what y'all think about that, Ratchets? He is attracted to transgenders. Does it make him gay if they still had a dick? Or does it make him not gay if they have a pussy? Let us know in the comments.
I mean, but would you be cool with your guy if he told you he was attracted to trans women? Women
So
who
my
got the
nigga, you
procedure.
said my nigga,
Right.
would I be cool with him? No. Because like I said, I personally feel like that means he's gay.
That's me.
He
too.
likes
I'm
men.
sorry.
You like to fuck somebody else, and you probably like to get fucked in your ass.
Ooh.
I mean, you probably do. What else you doing with another man's dick?
Ooh.
Maybe he ain't had
Why
sex
does
with
it
you,
have
you
to
just
be?
like
I'm sorry. After I watch Pose, them men be wanting that shit too. They
They prefer the meat. And
They
I know that for a fact.
Electra.
I know.
Electra.
They be
There's
wanting
There's a
that
lot of them
dick.
out there.
They
too.
want them to have titties up here and the dick
Everything.
down here.
And yeah.
Make up your mind.
What do you want?
me to look like a bitch up here, but you still want me to have my dick?
And if
That's
you-
not cool, bro.
Well, this bitch is out here doing it.
it's
So
not
it is.
what's up, bro. It's not
That's
what's up,
crazy.
bro.
It is cool.
Alright, my nigga. Fuck that shit.
Alright, next. Okay, so that was the time. I mean, so what was the motherfucking?
Side niggas. Side bitches.
No,
The side
not-
niggas creeping
Oh,
over
we
the
talked
tree.
about we was talking no on social media. Did we talk about his ass? Malik?
Yeah.
Okay, so I think we kind of.
The reason. I got to. Oh my god. Yeah.
Okay, y'all. Who we talking
And that's what
about?
And that's what he. Okay, so
Okay.
tonight, side niggas.
Side
Switch it up.
niggas.
Signs. Ladies, we're not going crazy. This shit is happening to us.
It's real.
It's real.
It's
And
a
these niggas
motherfucker-
trying to make you think you crazy. You ain't
It's an
crazy.
outbreak of fuck niggas.
It's an
And
outbreak.
everywhere. Ladies, brace yourselves.
But they say black men don't cheat. They say black men don't cheat.
Shit.
What do y'all think?
Shit.
Fuck black. No, I'm just playing. God.
Black men don't cheat?
Black men cheat.
Black men cheat.
Do y'all believe
Chinese
Chinese black
men cheat.
men do
All
not
of them
cheat?
cheat.
Bro, why you ask this hoe ass
men cheat?
Yes, I definitely believe it.
Yes.
Well,
What crazy
since
about
y'all
it?
black asses cheat, that's why we're gonna help our ladies out tonight. Because we know this is what y'all do. And we're trying to let you know that we're not dumb. And that's what we're gonna talk about tonight. So, okay, Lou. Do you, boo-boo?
Oh, you ready to do the first one?
Okay, look, I got the blunt. I'll do it first.
Okay.
Ooh, good question. So, the first question is, what's the difference between flirting and cheating? Like, what's the difference? I'm gonna let D-Hall go first.
Flirting and cheating, what's the difference? Well, I mean, it's just like window shopping and actually going to the store and actually buying the item.
And touching it.
Yeah, you're walking by, it looks good. Oh, I want that. Damn, I wish I could go in the store and get that. But the way my pocket's looking right now, I can't go in there and do that.
I would have to disagree.
So I believe that there's a certain degree to do anything. There's a such thing as some people are just flirtatious. Some people just innocently flirt. It's just who they are. It's not necessarily they trying to go out their way to disrespect you and just like be trying to get at an actual bitch. It's just could be their personality just comes off as flirty.
I agree.
And you just have to know the difference. There is a such thing as doing too much. There's
That's true.
always a thing as doing too much.
Always.
You can be friendly, my nigga.
But you doing too much.
But let's not overdo it.
Could you fuck with an overly flirtatious nigga? Could that be your nigga?
Me personally, I'm good on you. Because when you're overly flirtatious, you're doing too much.
Exactly.
I just said I don't like a nigga that's doing too much.
Basically, no.
So, with that being said, it'll be too much because it's like, goddamn, my nigga, you friendly, bro. I don't like a friendly nigga because I'm not a friendly bitch.
And I don't like all that shit fly with my friends and shit. No.
Just being
It's
extra.
just who I am. No, it's
like
not.
that.
Not around me, you not.
No.
So I don't know, but then there is a difference between flirting and cheating. Let's just say your nigga has a coworker and they're cool. She's attractive. They're obviously attracted to each other. They see each other every day. Of course they flirt. He might stop by her desk, she stops by his desk, woo woo woo. This is all the time. They've never really fucked around outside of work, but this is something that they do continuously. How do you feel? Do you think he's going too far?
It's over. I'm breaking up with you. We're done.
You leaving.
I can't handle that. To me, it's only gonna lead up to the next thing. Y'all gonna get tired of all that flirt. You gonna want to see what that shit about. Like you said, you window shopping. So you wanna shit when you can. You eventually you gonna wanna go get that motherfucker. All that coming to your desk, little comments. Some little comments you gonna wanna see what that mouth do. For real. Fuck all that talking, bitch.
Everything leads to something.
So all that flirting gonna lead to fucking.
Because guess what? She gonna flirt at the right motherfucking time when you
y'all-
know bitch going through some.
And you
guess
gonna fall for it.
You know what? You wanna go to lunch today? Let's get outside the office. I'm ready to make that step.
Exactly.
No, for real.
So are you gonna have a conversation, or what if somebody just came back and said they noticed your nigga was flirtatious with somebody at work a lot and they made
I'm gonna have a conversation.
See, and that's the thing you gotta be careful about. Shit you heard.
Yeah.
Right.
So it's
You're
like
right,
you gotta
bro.
be careful how you come at your nigga about
I'm not
some
gonna
shit.
come at him and accuse him.
You're
I ain't
right,
gonna
bro.
ask him about it.
Yeah.
Cause it was brought to my attention
yeah.
that you
Definitely been brought.
been doing a little extra at work.
But you know what?
Extra overtime.
That hoe who comes to me, bitch, I need facts, I need details, and I need receipts because I'm not gonna go with my nigga and no, I heard. Bitch, I need receipts. Show me this, bitch. I need a name. I need motherfucking dates, time frames. I need details of what happened. So when I come at this nigga, I can be like, so, blah, 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 and 7 o'clock, you remember that? You know, and either he gonna look dumb, like how the fuck you know that, or...
But then my thing is, okay, so what are y'all willing to accept? What is
Nothing.
going too far and what's not going too far? Especially if he's naturally flirty.
No.
Like you said earlier, Look, but don't touch.
No, ain't no look. I mean,
And
you
no-
can look, but it's more to flirting than looking.
Oh,
I
yeah.
know, that's what I was getting to. I mean, you can look, don't touch, but I mean, when you get to talking extra shit, all that, hey, work boo, all that extra shit.
Yeah,
like, no.
that work husband shit.
That work husband,
Work
wife.
wife.
You ain't got no work wife.
Work wife.
I got a work husband.
My work boo.
Are y'all both single?
Would you have a work husband if you had a nigga?
Would you be home
Don't
like,
be-
hey, babe, me and my work
Yeah,
husband went and had lunch.
You just said, bro. It's cool. You let that nigga know. I'm done with you. Fuck you, bitch.
Exactly.
But okay, I'm saying.
Mom,
If
let's not go back.
I had a man, I wouldn't be doing that shit. But I'm single.
So you gonna cut your work husband out?
Yeah. He gonna be looking up at us.
Sorry.
I mean, oh, you're right. That would be difficult. Because you know what? In all honesty, it's very innocent. Believe it or not, it's so innocent.
Okay, so what if it was the same for him? Why can't it be innocent for him? We have to be fair to our
We have to
men.
be
We
fair.
have to be fair to our men, ladies.
I'm like, baby, he's just my friend.
Caleb,
No.
would you be okay if your nigga had a work wife?
No. You're not coming home to me and be like, oh, me and my work wife when they had lunch. Your work who? You ain't got no fucking work
You have to
wife.
realize we spent 8 hours.
I don't give a damn. I don't care. You don't have a work wife, okay?
You're right.
She does not
But
exist.
you know what?
That's your
It's
coworker.
scary because you do become like close with the people you,
You
work
do.
with.
You with them every day.
All fucking day. You know the clothes they got in their
And what
closet.
if you and this nigga been on some work bullshit and then you happen to get in a relationship because it's just some work shit? I ain't like y'all doing it outside of work. But then you get in a real relationship.
It should be easy to fall back.
It should be definitely. You're right, bro.
It should be easy to
It
be
shouldn't even
like,
be
okay,
that
just
even
be
though that's
respectful.
what about.
It's just being respectful.
Yeah.
But
To your
but
relationship.
are you actually gonna do that? Is the question.
What if y'all was just about?
We say it's the right thing.
Have
to
y'all
do,
ever
but who's
fucked
actually
y'all-
gonna act
fucked the
on
nigga from
cutting
y'all
off their
job?
work book?
Oh,
Have y'all ever fucked a nigga from y'all job, hoes? Hoes, everybody got a thing. No, good laugh and shit popped up instantly.
I'm really sitting here trying to think.
Alright, bet.
Fuck the nigga out. Well, does working in the same building count?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, yeah. Of course. Ooh.
Well, really, boy, if you working together, you gotta see him every day.
Oh, we don't see each other every day. We work in the same building, but I don't have to like walk past him or anything.
Ooh, get that link in our office.
I think
Alright, back on topic.
Ooh.
Net boy shit.
Okay, so it's not cool.
It's not.
The flirtation while you have a nigga, it's not cool. It's a
All
difference.
the work, boo. Watch what you're saying.
So,
Even
basically,
outside
So what
work.
would you consider cheating then?
So I would, and just to go back to that question, I would say that they both are really considered cheating if they impact you the same. Shit, if you feel like what your nigga doing is like over the top flirtations and it's affecting you the same, I don't know. I guess to me they would kind of be in the same boat. They very close together. I don't know, because I'm not gonna necessarily say I'm gonna leave you if you cheat on me either. But you know, ain't gonna say I'm gonna leave you if you get the flirt either. But if you consistent with your flirt, shit, yeah, I might leave your ass.
Okay, what if you walk into a club and you see your nigga dancing with another girl?
Okay, that's the difference. It depends on the like it's other circumstances. You have to give me more details.
That situation I'm definitely not cool with.
Like, you just have to
I
come to
feel
the
like-
club.
Like me and you all went out and I
Right.
walked in and my nigga is over there dancing with a bitch.
You
I
didn't
wouldn't
know.
trip. I wouldn't trip because he's out with his friends,
Right.
and I feel like and not that I'm making excuses for niggas because I know he would trip if he saw me doing it with another nigga.
Of course.
So I don't know. I don't know. I don't know why I wouldn't trip. Maybe I need to be in it. I don't know. I don't want to be in that situation either. But
Right.
right now, I'm
Hello.
gonna say I wouldn't trip. But I don't
Are
know.
you tripping?
Hmm.
If you walk in,
And the girl,
Doing all this and he like,
head behind his neck.
and I'm gonna be like, hey.
in that situation,
And
are
what
you
if
tripping? Are you gonna be
see you? He
on
stopped though. What if he be like, oh damn, what's up, babe? What if he like respectfully like?
I'm cool with that because, like you said before, if you out, you know, with your homeboys and you dance with another bitch, as long as you're not taking the bitch home. I I mean, I hope I would trust you enough, right?
Good, bruh.
I ain't gonna break up with you for something like that.
I'm not breaking up, but I'm definitely tripping. I'm not gonna be in the club like I'm.
Especially like what Erica said. If he came to me like, "Oh hey babe, you know I'm just dancing."
Oh hey baby, my ass.
They're gonna be like this.
She ain't gonna say shit actually.
Actually, I'm about to go.
That's what you are doing.
I'm finna go.
She gonna send that to me.
This girl in the club.
You dancing on her.
That's what's up. Nah, you good? You good?
I don't know. I'm tripping. They not tripping. I'm tripping. It is what it is. Fuck.
So
y'all tripping? So that y'all walk in ratchets. Y'all nigga dancing on with a bitch. Y'all tripping or what? Let us know. Come in.
I mean that is extra flirty.
You walk in. Your niggas at a bar.
I mean, but
with a bitch.
Ooh.
He's swiping.
Ooh.
With 2 drinks. And you're not there.
Fuck no.
Are we cool?
No,
He's
we're
at the
not.
club.
No.
He's having a good time.
You're spending money. Now you're investing in this.
No,
bitch.
it's just dance.
No, you're
It's just
investing.
dance to
You're
get some
investing.
food.
Dancing and investing.
No, I want to get a drink now.
No,
I want to buy a drink.
investing. You're making an investment into
No.
another woman. That's
No other
all-
dollar should go
no.
anywhere else.
No,
Not
my
another
nigga.
bitch.
No, only me,
Drinks
your
are
children.
part of
No, it's not. Dancing is a part of going out. Listen
No,
to
it
music.
don't have to be.
But what is it? Okay,
Everything
I'm
is not in
with
there dancing on a beach.
because what
No
he was
nigga chose to
trying.
do that. Everything is not in there doing that shit. Period.
Every nigga not in their mind. Well, yeah, they are.
Exactly.
Every nigga is not fine.
Y'all let them
So
niggas
right.
do what they want.
Ooh.
Next question.
Basically,
I'm dropping my nigga.
stop all the extra ass shit.
Period.
Period.
Purr.
If you feel like it's extra, it's extra.
Now this subject might lead to some tears. This question,
Gosh.
but it must be asked.
Scary.
What are some signs, Ratchets, that he switched up or he's possibly fucking around?
And when you say fucking around, she means
And-
fucking.
I mean fucking. At this point, you've made an effort to have relations outside of your relationship. Or you notice that he might not have went that far yet, but you know it could possibly be getting there
Right.
because he started to switch up
Right.
slowly. What are some signs? Hello, talk to me.
Hello?
Ooh.
Hello.
Hello?
I think shit, when niggas start less communicating, lying,
Talk to me, Hello.
talking about when he coming home, supposed to get off work at this time. Now every night you getting off late at this time. Just with your being romantic, everything it starts lacking. A woman can always tell when things are switching up. Like everything that you were doing before, all that shit starts to lack. And women notice everything.
Yep.
Every single
Do
thing.
y'all think we notice quick when shit starts to switch
Oh,
up?
I
we
think
do.
so.
We know really quick.
I think so.
You ain't calling as much. You ain't texting as much.
So with the calling and texting, how long for y'all? And be 100 y'all. How long, if a nigga switch up, does it take you to notice in the text and calling? Do you start
Immediately.
tripping after about a week if you notice he started? Does it take 2 weeks for him switching up for you to say something? Does it take for it to be a week and you be like, okay, I noticed he really hasn't been texting me this week. I'm calling, or 2 weeks and you be like, okay, damn. When do you say something?
I feel
When
like
is
when
it
you, I feel like it's not a right time. I think that timing is definitely on you
Right.
because you can prolong it as long as you want to, but the mess is still right there. You gotta clean the shit up. It's only gonna get louder. The steak just gonna get louder and louder. So I feel like with that, it's just up to you. But as far as like when do you notice, I feel like I would notice soon, like immediately, because what I fought for is your consistency. Like that's what got me here in the first place. So
Exactly.
you stop doing what I was liking the most. So now it's like, okay, what's up, nigga?
So lack of calling and texting is one
Calls
sign
and
of switching up.
texting.
That's
What's another
definitely one
sign?
sign.
I would say your patience level with me. Maybe you get annoyed easier with me than you used to.
Yes.
I
I say your compliments. You
Ooh,
could have
yeah.
went from always in my face to
Gratitude.
damn baby you so beautiful,
To
you
nothing.
this, that, to damn I noticed like Ray lately you really haven't been doing that, or you really haven't been complimenting me. Like, why you still not in my face like you was?
Exactly.
Less dates. Maybe I used to go out.
Maybe he wanted to take you out every weekend, and now it's like, damn, nigga.
Once a month, nothing. Without me having to bring it up.
Without you having to bring it up.
Yeah.
Why?
You definitely can tell.
Why?
Because he don't want to.
That's the reason. I was just about to say that.
Because he don't want
When a
to.
nigga stop doing anything, or with a person, any person, not even just a nigga, any human being that exists on earth, everything we do is because we want to. Yeah, you can say you go to work because you got to pay bills, but bitch, you choosing to go to work and you're choosing to pay your bills.
Exactly.
You do shit because you want to. That's the only reason.
That's period.
So, we listed a lot of reasons. Lack of compliments.
Compliments.
Calls and texts
Patience.
lacking. Patience. Less dates. Less
Effort.
Less seeing each other,
Effort.
period.
Yeah.
Why? Like, we went from seeing each other damn near every day to it's damn near hard to catch up with you now.
And like I said, now every day you at work late.
Huh?
Every day.
What's got your time?
Every day.
No, it's not even just work. Like, it's like
But what's
you're
got
not
your-
available anymore.
not
Like,
available.
What
like,
was
no.
your time? Because you used to have time.
You were just free.
You
every day
had
this
time.
week.
What's changed with your schedule?
The past month, I've been with you every day. What's the problem?
A woman noticed.
What's the problem?
My thing is just keep it real.
And the problem is somebody else occupying your time?
Lack of time. So those are all good signs, ladies.
And I hate when you do bring that shit up and nigga be like, ain't nothing, what?
Just tell
Okay,
me.
that's
something.
going on.
That's what I want to know. Ratchet
ain't
fell
nothing going on.
apart.
What you talking about?
Just tell me. We don't have to deal with it.
When a woman notices that there is a change in the, I'm like being on some real shit. When a woman notices there's a change, because it's obvious. We're gonna notice. We just gave y'all 6 or 7 reasons. Lack of time, lack of phone calls, lack of compliments, lack of dates. I don't see you as much. Lack of patience. We notice that shit switch up in a week, 2 weeks.
Exactly.
When we bring it up, why is it an issue? Why is it an issue for me to bring to your attention? Obviously something that, I'm not making this up. It's not like I woke up and was like, he don't call me no more.
Exactly.
He don't text me no more.
Exactly.
It's obviously, I noticed that there were some things that you're not doing as much. Why do you make it an issue when I bring it up? Why do they
And guys,
get so
And
defensive?
I think it's because they want to avoid the problem.
They do.
So
They
they're
don't
trying to
wanna
create
argue.
a whole nother problem to avoid talking about the fucking problem.
It's just about putting it back on you. Like, what you talking about? I ain't
Yeah.
been tripping.
Now,
I ain't been acting like that.
now they got a reason to do what they do because she always say, damn, she always nigga, I'm doing this, but you don't realize because you look at the picture the wrong way.
Cause and effect.
You're the reason.
Cause
it's
and
an
effect.
issue. Yes.
That's what niggas don't understand. That's what I try to preach to these niggas. It's cause and effect. I didn't just wake up and was like I said, oh damn, I'm gonna call him and be like, damn, you don't call me and text me no more. It's obvious that that's what's been going on.
Right.
Exactly.
But that's just immature niggas because as a real man should shouldn't mind a woman coming to him if obviously there's lack thereof.
I agree.
Anything.
Especially if y'all had a good communication.
Especially
Right.
should be good as fuck.
Yeah. Obviously there's something different. You're not gonna tell me
It's not.
it's not. It's something different.
And just stop acting like I'm dumb. Like I know.
Or just tell
Or
me.
be real about it. When
So-
a woman bring it to your attention, just be real about it.
So what do you do, ladies?
That's all.
How long do you deal with it?
I'm not gonna deal with it.
How long do you deal with it, Caleb?
I'm just at a point where I'm tired of asking, like, why you ain't calling?
Mm-hmm.
Why you ain't texting? Why we ain't doing this?
No. How long do you deal with if you've been going good with this guy?
Like a week.
And
I'm gonna
he
notice it
switches
within a
up.
week.
Okay, so bam, like me, you'll notice within a week, right?
Especially
Once
if
you
it's like a
notice-
consistent thing every single day.
Once you notice and you bring it to his attention, like we just said, you bring it up now. Okay. How long do you deal with it after you brought it up and you notice nothing's changed? He's still not acting how he was before. He still switched up. And even after I brought it to his attention, how long did you stick around?
I'm gone.
I mean, be 100, ladies. How long do you stick
I'm gonna
around?
fall back like immediately because first of all, I'm prideful as fuck. So if you make me feel like I don't know. Just don't make me feel like I'm chasing you. I don't like to feel that way. I don't like for a motherfucker to
Think that they
feel
got
like,
me.
I don't like to
Right.
feel like I'm getting on your nerves. So I will always remove myself from any situation to where I feel like a motherfucker don't want me there. Like I'll go sleep in a box. Like, you know what I'm saying, basically. But anyway, I don't know. I just would, if I had a conversation with him and a week later he's still doing the same shit, I'm just gonna fall back.
And how do you fall back, bro? Do you have a conversation?
When I fall
you
back-
gonna fall back, or do you just go cold?
My type of fallback is cold.
Mine is too.
I just go cold.
I go cold, like I'm not calling or texting anymore. I'm not. I go like cold turkey.
And if
That's
you
what
do,
I do.
if you do
You
hit
do
me
too,
up,
Taylor?
if you hit me up, I'll text you back. But it's gonna be on some dry shit. I'm not gonna be available.
I'm not
at all.
I'm gonna be dry.
So,
Now, do you
but
think that's us being petty?
no, I'm just giving you what you gave.
I'm just doing what you're doing.
I'm feeding off your energy at
Yeah.
this point because
You ain't
saying
texting, I'm not
nothing.
I thought
texting. You
this
ain't
was what
calling,
you
I ain't
wanted.
calling. So
And
it's
this
the same thing.
and he gonna be like, damn, she acting funny. No,
No.
Okay, so what about when he does hit you up and you don't respond?
that's okay. You were busy. I was busy. What's wrong with that? You don't have to be available for these niggas.
You don't.
Shit, I was busy, nigga. I was motherfucking picking lint out of my pocket. The fuck?
For 3 days I was unavailable.
I had to walk my fish.
Don't come around now. You want to act
Back
right.
down.
So you don't stick around. We're done. We're cold. We're cold. We go cold turkey, basically. We bring it to your attention. We give you a couple days to get it right. If it's not right and I'm still feeling fucked up, I'm done.
I'm gonna move back.
I'm
You got
riding
it.
all the way back. Like I'm talking about, I'm bouncing off the wall on your ass.
got
Like,
Would you ask that nigga though? Would you ask him straight up? Like, fuck all that, try to work it out. Would you be awesome? My nigga, is it a bitch?
well, I asked that when we had the conversation, and if you said that was no, if I bring it to your attention and you say it's not another bitch, and you
Right.
basically act like you don't know what I'm talking about,
Okay.
that dumb shit they do. What you talking about? I ain't
Yeah.
tripping. Woo, okay, whatever.
Mm.
Obviously, you are.
Yeah.
But if you act like you ain't, I brought it to your attention, so that gives you an opportunity to get right. And
Exactly.
if I'm still feeling fucked up the next couple days, because you obviously are not going back to your old self, or
Right.
you still, obviously what I said wasn't important.
It didn't hit
I'm
you.
gonna give him a couple of days, bro. I'm gonna give it a week. If about a week I don't see, I'm done. I'm cutting
That's
it off
me.
cold. And
Exactly.
anyone who hit me up, I'm not even gonna respond. I go like literally numb on your ass. Like it's like you never
It's
knew
that
me.
easy.
It's
It
like
takes
you
a
never
couple
knew
of
me.
days, but
It takes a couple of days, and once
It's
I'm on
so
day
easy.
3, you're done. You're history.
it's like
Cause nobody got time for that.
past then.
You should not be in the business of chasing or trying to read fucking minds. Cause I don't know what's going on with you.
Ladies, how long do y'all stick around? Ratchet, talk to me. How
I
long
don't
do
know.
you stick around after you bring the shit to this nigga's attention and he still doesn't get it right? He plays dumb.
And I just don't understand that. Like, my
Tell
nigga,
us.
just. But what if it's the other way around? Cause females switch up on niggas when they
We
not
do.
into niggas. Why do we do it, ladies? Have y'all ever done it? Have y'all switched
I
up on a
have.
nigga before?
I have.
I have.
And what was he? Was he doing anything wrong?
I mean, it was like maybe I was feeling him at first, but then like he could be coming at me on some petty shit about finances and struggles and all that, and I could probably get turned off, and I could probably just go be on some fuck shit. Not text the man, you know.
So,
same
because
shit
his,
niggas do.
so if his finances change, that's one of the reasons you'll fall back.
It depends on how you finances. I'm not your go-to, okay? Don't come to
I
me.
feel you on
I mean,
that.
that's your business. I get it. We all have our financial struggles. I'm number one, not where I want to be financially in life.
Yes, me
But
too.
I'm not going to be coming at you on it. Like, I don't want to talk about that shit with you. I mean, it's cool to talk about, like, goals and all
Especially
that
when
other
not on
shit.
no serious, you know.
Yeah,
I
I don't want to hear the pity shit. That's
Right.
a
I
turn
We're
off.
don't
getting to
want
know
your
each other.
problems. Don't give me your problems. Because we
Don't-
can sit here
that's
all
too
day.
much.
And
talk about
basically,
problems.
don't set me up for something I know I can't look forward to. You letting me know you broke, so I'm not gonna have any dates. I'm not looking. That's not. You letting me know in advance some shit I can't look forward to. I'm struggling right now. So why are you trying to converse with me? You're not in the business of getting to
Yeah.
know anybody.
Sorry, my nigga. So you gonna switch up? Kello? You switch it up?
Yeah, I'm switching up. Nah, it's playing.
I done switched up on a nigga after I done fucked.
Oh, I have
keep it
to
real.
get that too.
I definitely
Because I have had some poor link and I switched up on a nigga.
So you just, what did you do?
I mean, all that texting extra shit I was doing.
So you was texting the calls out prior to the link.
It got delayed. My texts I was texting slow, not calling back, not really answering FaceTime.
Niggas know.
Dates and no, I don't want to go.
No.
And it's because the dick wasn't good.
Period. I didn't enjoy the dick.
For me, I did both. It's been because maybe something a guy did, he just turned me off, and then he just becomes annoying to me after that. Like I don't want you texting me.
Like
I don't really want to talk to you.
But that only happened after the first date. After
If
that
they
first
annoy
date, if you annoy me on that first date, ooh.
For me, sometimes it could be like what else. I may like you at first, and then after a while, it's like,
Ugh, I don't like.
I don't really like you like
I don't know
that.
if I like the nigga. Stop. I guess you're right. Maybe. Yeah, I have.
I'm sorry.
Actually, I have.
I just thought I really liked the nigga, and then like
They do
the more
something
you be
just
around
like,
him or say something, you just like, this nigga's weird. I'm good, bro.
It's dumb.
You
No.
really not my type of nigga, fam.
no,
You really not.
no.
I can't fuck with you.
Same thing about Link. I linked with some Link, and it was weak, so I didn't call him back.
Ooh.
That was fucked up on my part. I should
No,
have
it
been honest.
wasn't.
No, it wasn't.
But I did just go.
It's
cold.
light.
I don't have nothing to say.
Niggas do the
We
same thing with whack ass.
I don't have nothing to say.
Bitch got some dry pussy, you're not getting the call back home. Bitches, if you out there now, look, bitches, if you watching the show and a nigga ain't calling you back ever, this show
That's
not
probably why.
That's different. Okay, how you might got some if you gotta use any products to assist the juice flow, that's why he's not calling you back.
This podcast for all the bitches who pussy just get wet.
Juice.
Period.
Exactly.
Juice.
Then you getting them callbacks.
Juice.
This podcast for the bitches that's getting callbacks.
Oh.
You getting a callback?
I get callbacks.
Ooh. Are you getting a callback?
He's calling now. Yeah. Yeah. Hello.
Yeah.
Why don't we answer the phone like that for this?
You don't even talk like
You
that.
didn't talk like that, bitch.
Okay, now how you answer the phone for real, Keller? How you answer the phone, Keller?
I mean, it's depending on who it is.
They be trying to
I
talk
think you
that shit. I don't do that.
Bitch should not talk the way she talk.
the worst.
Emma is
No.
the worst.
You're
I'm
the
sorry, I
worst.
have to agree with Erica. I mean, Erica.
You're the worst. Emma is the worst. Emma.
Oh, that's this hoe. Erica.
No, I'm like, hello.
She like, baby, she be doing that.
He's hilarious.
All he said was hello.
He's hilarious.
All he said was hello. That was funny.
He's so funny.
Y'all hoes be faking it with these niggas.
Bitch be like,
Bitch, I don't fake it with these niggas. I was like, I damn sure don't fake it with these.
I just be like, hello.
But, y'all, it's the end of the motherfucking show. And we got
We
to
don't
go.
have no questions.
We got to go. It's the end of the motherfucking show.
Oh, that was a good
We
one.
got to go. It's
Yeah, because we only have 3 more minutes on the show.
We do.
But we have to go out to our Ratchet song of the night. And y'all already know how we coming. Who playing?
We got to go.
Okay, well, get on your job. Hey,
Y'all
get
ready?
on your job.
Hey, suckers, get on your job, nigga. It's motivation. You can look me in my eye, ready for whatever. Anything don't kill me, make me well.
Alright. But before we end, make sure you tune in
Y'all tune the
next
fuck in.
Wednesday
Like and
at
subscribe.
9:30.
Tell a friend.
The link will be in the bio tomorrow. Make sure you subscribe.
Tell another fucking
Thumbs
friend.
up.
Thumbs up in your butt. Thumbs up
Tell
in your
another
butt.
friend.
You see
Thumbs
these?
Tell another
up.
fucking friend.
Tell another fucking friend.
Hey.
Tell another fucking
Friend,
friend.
we bitches.
Tell another fucking friend.
And we live.
Tell another fucking.
Wednesday night. Okay, if y'all don't tell a friend, guess what's gonna happen? If y'all don't tell somebody about this show, guess what's gonna happen? Hey, look.
Hey.
Hey, well, I'm not dead, so just the
Hey.
Hey.
Crunk up on this damn thing.
Hey.